So I'm starting off with the Wet n Wild Photofocus Dewy Foundation. I already primed before this with the Milk Makeup Hydrogrip primer. Just using a beauty blender to blend it out made my face look really nice and dewy and smooth. So now I'm using the Tarte Hydroconcealer. It's a really dewy moisturizing concealer. I really like this one. Now I'm just kind of bronzing up my sides of the face with just a darker concealer. Now I'm using the Coty Airspun translucent powder. I'm just setting my face, not gonna bake yet, or I'll bake later on. I had these random sparkles on my cheek, but it looked really cute. So now I'm just baking under the eye because I'm gonna do a really colorful look, so I don't really want to like have any fallout. I'm using the Maddie Ziegler Imagination palette by Morphe. Has a lot of shimmers, a lot of mattes too. I really like it. Has a bunch of pops of color in it. I'm just gonna do the eye look on the packaging. It's a really pretty kind of tie-dye moment. I'm just using the Fenty concealer for my eye primer. I just like concealer as eye primer. I always carve out my brows too when I prime my eyes. I don't know, it just saves me a step. So now I'm just packing it on and blending it out with a flat brush. I'm gonna use this mint shade. It's literally called Mint. It's a matte green, just focusing that on the inner corners of my eye. I'm just really packing that on. Now I'm buffing it out with this peachy nude shade, just the very edges, just to kind of blend it into my brow. So now I'm taking this sky blue shade. It's called 5. It looks shimmery in the camera, but it's really not shimmery on the eyes. So now I'm just blending the green out with the blue. I'm gonna kind of blend everything up at a diagonal. That's how it looked like it was blended in her picture, so I'm just blending it diagonally. So now I'm gonna use this purpley lilac shade and blending that into the blue. Again, blending it at a diagonal. So now I'm using this really sparkly hot pink. I was afraid about the shimmer, but actually it looks really cute with it. So now I'm using this shimmer just right in the middle of my eye where the purple meets the blue. Just kind of want a sheer layer though, just where it sparkles, not where it's actual color. So now I'm just filling in my brows, no particular way. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. It's really good. I really like this brow gel. And now I'm using the Eyeko Black Magic waterproof liquid liner. This is one of my favorite liners. I love it. She didn't look like she was wearing any eyeliner in the picture, but I just needed to have a small wing. I felt weird without one. Just a really small wing though. Now I'm taking this Angel shade. It's a really pinky, iridescent, shimmery shade. Just using as a brow bone highlight. Now Now I'll use the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I totally got mascara on my eyelid. So now I'm just using these falsies I made. Any falsies will work. Now they're on. Blending those together. I'm gonna leave the lower lash line bare because it looked like in the photos she didn't really have much on her lower lash line. I'm just taking this green toned highlighter and putting it on the inner corner. I thought that'd be a really nice touch. Now I'm just contouring / bronzing up my face a little bit. I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup blush stick in this really warm terracotta berry-ish tone. And now I'm going to be using Nars blush in Orgasm, all-time favorite blush. And I'll use this kind of pinky opal highlighter for all over the face. So that is the finished look. I really had fun making this look, and thank you so much for watching my video.